Hello everyone. Now this is one Western Digital pension hard drive. Now we can see this drive has been properly detected. We can check all the hard drive ID information here. And this is the firmware arrow with all the available firmware modules. And we can access to the firmware modules. We can double click to open the firmware modules without any problem. So from current situation, we can see this case, it's kind of a data error issue. And we have checked the hex and viewed the sector 0. We can find out the 5588's partition mark. So now let's try to open the DFL DDP data recovery software to access the data error and see if it is possible or not. Okay, so we select the same channel SATA 0 and click DFL DDP. So this is for data recovery, file extraction or disk image. Okay, we have opened two software. This is Western Digital Firmware Repair and this one is for data recovery at the same time. Now let's set up one new project for this pension drive, and then we can try to access the data arrow. Okay, so this is the last partition, NTFS, and we can see there are no folders listed under this one. So at this time we can try to right click the partition and then click scan files. We can use fast scan to see if there are some folders or files lost. So it means some file table has been corrupted. We can try to scan files again. We use full scan and see. So we check again. We can try to scan the lost partition. To make sure this is a partition we laid. Okay, now we can see these are all the lost folders and files under this new partition. So sometimes we can try to use this function scan lost partitions, and then we can list all the folders and files. So now we can try to select, for example, this one and right click to save file or recover selected files. So it's very easy now. So this is how we recover the lost partition and folders and files with the DFL Western Digital Firmware Repair software here, and also with the DFL DDP data recovery software. Thank you for watching the video.